Here we are at Outboard Exchange. We're remanufacturing an inline 6 115 Merc for a gentleman in Michigan, and we're gonna just rebuild a short block and send it to him. We decided it's good to have him send us his. We can diagnose why it failed. So it's a good thing we did. So a little education for himself. Upon removing the water jacket, that's right here. And this is a nice freshwater unit. That's the nice thing about Michigan. We found pieces of rubber that clog. This is where the water comes in. It cools off the engine. And we have a bunch of pieces of rubber that came off. This is the impeller that would go in this motor, what it's supposed to look like all together. It broke off. So somebody said, oh well, the motor's not running, pumping water. They put a new impeller in. Noticed, I guess, there were pieces missing, didn't know where they went. Ran the motor again. I'm sure very soon after, the water pump was replaced and brand new, and overheated and killed this motor. So there's pieces missing when you do a water pump. You got to make sure they get out. Make sure you got a good water flow. Ironically, I think since this nipple is here, that's for a water pressure gauge. You had a water pressure gauge, probably didn't know the importance of it. It also had a hookup for an alarm, which is rare on this motor. Last year, this motor was 1987. So most of them don't have alarms. This one at least had a sensor for it. So he didn't know it overheated, so he's got to be interested in knowing this, and so is everybody else. So be warned, if you go to do a water pump and there's pieces missing, make sure you have no obstruction. Sometimes it passes through, but usually it sticks somewhere. And you got to cook the motor and blow the motor.